Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Outfits of the Week. I've been having so much fun sharing with you guys the outfits that I either have already put together and then I'm re-showing you because I forgot to film in the moment, or putting together outfits in that day that I feel like wearing today. And I feel like it really inspires me to step out of my zone, really shop my closet, and also just get dressed every day because I think it makes us feel good. So if you enjoy seeing videos like this and want to continue seeing more, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. And everything, if you're curious to shop any of the looks that I'm wearing, some of the products aren't in stock, so I'll link something similar, or I will link the exact item if it is still currently available, as well as my sizing will be down below as well. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get going. All right, so let's go ahead and kick off Monday to start. We're gonna start super casual, you guys. Let's go ahead and jump into it, starting with what I'm wearing on my lips. I decided to start wearing more lip products and I wanted to share with you what I'm wearing. So I start with this Fenty gloss. I have little gold hoops in my ears. I've been loving this pack that I got from Amazon. My same rings, and then my new watch that I've also been loving. This little t-shirt dress, I got this. It's actually a long sleeve kind of sweater dress, but not quite a sweater. I got it from Old Navy, and then I threw over this shacket. I can find that sweater dresses can almost seem a little like unshapely, so I find that tying something around your waist just kind of brings more definition to your waist if you feel like it, and in case it's cold in a restaurant. So I go ahead and tie that around my waist to just add a little more definition and interest to this very plain t-shirt dress. I also threw it on with my high top Converse. I live in these things. Best purchase I ever made. I honestly need to get rid of my low tops because I never wear them anymore and I only wear my high tops. These things are awesome. So that is my first super simple, very casual. I will wear this out to a restaurant, but also just running errands. I hope you enjoy, and let's go ahead and move along. All right, next we are going on to Tuesday. This is actually an outfit that I wore for my cousin's graduation of high school. So starting with what's on my lips, I have the Hourglass lip gloss. I believe it's their volumizing gloss. Everything will be linked down below, but I go ahead and put that on. I love this gloss. It's like the perfect nudie pink, and I have my hair in a top knot or a low knot, some earrings on that are a little sparkly. My watch and my everyday jewelry and my nails are OPI's Let's Be Friends. Then I went ahead and showed you the detail of this dress. This is from Petal & Pup. I love it. I love the wooden buttons. It's that gingham style. It is so perfect. It is so like comfortable because it's not tight. It's got like the two-tiered look at the bottom of the skirt. It's the right length. I love the sleeve length on it, everything about it. It's just one of my absolute favorite summer dresses, and I went ahead and paired that with some sneakers just for a very casual but polished look. I love sneakers with dresses. These are from Arigato. They're my absolute favorite. I think I'm gonna get the all white ones next because I wear the heck out of these. I've owned them for over a year and a half and they're my favorite. So that was Tuesday. Let's go ahead and move on to Wednesday. This first clip you're gonna see, you're gonna be like, what in the world, Kelly? But yes, put your bra over the top of a bodycon dress. I got this one a while ago, and then use that to tuck your shirt in. Probably not new to you, but if it is, it's an awesome trick. You can also do the same thing with a belt, anything like that would cinch in, but I like to just do my bra. So I went ahead and tucked that graphic tee underneath, and then I have on some gold little earrings. Same simple basic makeup. It's always linked down in the description box. Nail color and rings are still the same, as well as my watch. Then, like I said, I'm just showing you that I tucked that into my bra, and it's just based over a ribbed sort of bodycon midi dress that I've had for a little while. You can also do the same trend with a skirt. This trend is super popular, and I wish I had done it when I was pregnant because it's perfect for letting that bump hang out. And then I went ahead and threw on my little Vans that I've had for a while. These are so cute and so comfortable, perfect for just a casual day. And yeah, that was Wednesday. Let's go ahead and move along to Thursday.
So this has been my favorite little go-to outfit. So let's go ahead and show you what I got going on. Earrings. I threw my hair in a braid. I've been liking putting my hair in a braid. I just feel like it keeps like my layers out of my face, but there my layers fell out, so it is what it is. Same jewelry, rings, and watch. I love a white button up. I think you can wear it a million different ways. And H&M has some of my favorite affordable ones, so check them out. They sell out really quick. I'll try to find something in stock. And then these little sweat shorts have been like my go-to. I literally sleep in them or wear them about. I got them in navy, which I think is the perfect color. And then these new Nikes, obsessed. These are the waffle, I believe, sneaker. I wasn't wearing them with socks, which is gross. I did put socks on, but I love this outfit. It's just casual and comfortable, but really put together without even having to try. So let's move along to Friday. We went a little dressier with this. So yeah, let's get into it. I went ahead and started by applying that same Hourglass volumizing lip gloss. I'm telling you, it's amazing. You need it. Got some gold hoops in, loving my gold hoops lately. And then I just went ahead and threw my hair back into a bun. I just like buns. I just feel like they're easy for the summer. Same nail color, let's be friends, same rings. And yeah, this top I got in like one of my first Shein hauls that I had ever done. And I really love the quality of it. It's got the stretchy arms. It's got like a little pop to the collar. I don't wear anything underneath it, just like a nude bra. And I think it's still super cute. And then these are a pair of jeans that I just recently picked up from Zara. If you've not checked out my Zara haul, I will link it down below. These are my favorite wide leg jeans. I'm thinking about cropping them a little bit more, but for now, obsessed. And I threw them on with these little espadrilles that I've had from Tory Burch since I lived in Japan. I think they're so comfortable and cute, and they're the perfect summer shoe with the black and white. Makes it super neutral, but they have plenty of options.
Alright, so that is going to wrap up this week's outfits of the week. I hope you guys enjoyed, got some inspiration on different outfits that you could put together, whether you already have these pieces in your closet or want to pick up some new ones for this spring, summertime. I really enjoy making these videos for you guys. I hope you enjoy watching them, and if you do, let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite outfit was. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!